You just look at this. I mean, just look at this. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. What's happening, everybody? We're back at the shop again. We got the old yo-yo in here. We're doing a few things to it today. This is just a cheaper little roof rack basket type thing that I've had for like 2 years, 3 years. I don't know, I've had it for a really long time. And I thought, why not just put it on the roof and I'll use it for hauling firewood and stuff like that when I go camping or whatever. I don't know. I eventually want to get me one of the either the front runners or the Prenzu little, low profile roof racks, but until I can, this will work. It looks pretty good up there too. So we built these, basically just made some brackets. Do you see it right there? Made 4 of them. And I guess, as most of y'all know, see if I can show y'all this. Right here is a weather, like piece of rubbery type stripping, weather stripping, whatever. And under these, because this truck didn't come with the factory roof rack, but the holes are still there, the factory threaded holes. So I took and marked and just drilled a small little hole through the weather stripping, whatever you want to call it, and into the factory holes, and we lined them up so it'll bolt right in the truck and take it off. I didn't have to drill no holes in my roof, nothing like that. So then when I get me one of the roof racks that I actually want, one of the little slim lines or whatever, I just unbolt this one, bolt the new one on, and good to go. And the other thing we got for it, get over here to show y'all, I've wanted one of these for a long time. Let's see. It's one of the smittybilt 8x6 retractable awnings, and we're going to put it on the driver's side. I'm still in the process of, that's why one reason why I didn't put the basket on this thing. I want it on the truck because as soon as I get me a rooftop tent, I'm still trying to decide about taking this off. So if I do get a rooftop tent, I'll probably just move it around or something. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but anyway, I'm going to put the awning, I'm going to start back here and go frontwards, and it basically stops about right here, about where it goes. So I'll be able to get in my back door and have all this space to, sit under if it rains or shade, snow, whatever. So we're going to get that mounted up, and yeah, I'll show y'all how we're going to mount it. So we got that installed now. And now we're going to move on to the smittybilt awning. Right, there's the front view. Whoa, I don't zoom in so much. There we go. We're back at the shop again. I'm sorry for the noise. So we got the truck back in here. And we're about to install a new product I got. It's the 4-foot awning. And we're going to put it on the rear of the truck. It's going to mount right here and come out. That way I can do away with that stupid tarp I'm using for when I go camping. Finally got them on, both of them. Put the ARB 4-foot one on the back, and it clears the awning and everything, the window. And then I put the 8-foot by 6-foot smittybilt on the side, and it clears the doors and everything, so I'll actually be able to get in my back door under the cover. And we got the roof rack on. So there's the new look of the truck. Let me set y'all down on a tripod and we'll get them opened up and see what it looks like. There you go. So there's the smittybilt, the one set up. Well, I gotta straighten this leg just a little bit. There we go. And of course I'm in a shop, so I didn't fool with tying it down, but it comes with these Velcro straps, which means that even though it's a smittybilt, that means the ARB rooms will attach right to it. That took me 3 minutes and 4 seconds to set up, which is a whole lot quicker than the other setup I had before. And that was also, too, the first time I've ever opened one of these awnings. And it still only took me 3 minutes. So not bad. So now let's get the ARB open and see what it looks like. We're going to open up the 4-foot ARB. Bags is still a thing I gotta get used to moving out of the way. Oh my God, that's handy. Not yet. And apparently that's an easier way to catch them. Okay. There. Like that. For some reason that pole slid way out there. Pull it tight. Come back and do the same thing just like your smittybilt. Attach it with the Velcro. Don't hit your head. Get that straight. And that's actually a little bit too high because you want the water to run off. So gotta go down just a little bit, which as y'all can see, I've got plenty of headroom because my truck's so tall. Not quite that much. Not right there. What I'm going to do is put me some little marks on these things where I'll know about where they go. There we go. We got an awning. That stops perfect. Look at that. So there you have it. We installed the roof rack today. We installed a smittybilt 8-foot by 6-foot aluminum retractable awning. I think is how they call it. Which I'm digging it. I'm tired of using that other thing. And then we got an ARB. Smittybilt only doesn't make the 4-foot. Is why we went with the ARB. And I thought, well, heck, I'll try out the smittybilt on the side and see if I like them. This is the only reason why there's 2 different names. Yeah, I like it. Now we got all that. And if I decide to buy a room, I'll probably have to make me a room for this 4-foot one if I decide to. It'll probably just be a cover. You know, probably just 3-sided or something. Or 2-sided, I mean, I'm sorry. There to here. And then I may buy a room for that one, or I may just leave it like that. But there you go. That's awesome. I've wanted them things for a long time, and I finally got them. And we've got a few other things that's going to be done to this thing in a few days. You know, maybe y'all be seeing this probably on Christmas Eve, somewhere thereabout. I'm not sure when I'll be able to get it uploaded. But we got a few other things coming for it. I got something else sitting over there. I'm going to show y'all later. That's got to go on this thing. And yeah, we got some other stuff going to be happening. So I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all have a Merry Christmas. And I'm sure I'll talk to y'all before then. But until next time, y'all have a good one.